Can't find your Amex card and want to prevent anyone from using it? If you think you have to call to lock it, there's a much faster way. Today, we're freezing your Amex card instantly using the mobile app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The Lock Card feature temporarily freezes new purchases, cash advances, and authorized user cards on your account. It's reversible the moment you find your card. The fastest way, use the Amex app. Open the American Express mobile app and log in. On your account homepage, you should see a prominent Lock Card switch or button. Simply tap it to turn on the lock. What it blocks: new charges only. While locked, new authorization attempts will be declined. However, recurring billing, Amex offers, and other account features will continue to work. It's the perfect solution for a misplaced card. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: lock first, then search. The moment you suspect your card is lost, open the app and lock it. This gives you peace of mind to search thoroughly without the panic of someone else using it. If you don't find it, you can then report it lost to get a new one issued. So, just like that, you have immediate control over your card's security. The lock feature goes a long way in preventing fraud before it even happens. Now I'm curious, have you ever had to use the lock feature? Did you find your card afterward? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.